Greetings, friends. As always, it's an extremely high honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. I just have a brief follow-up video for you today. What you see before you is my rear caliper windback kit. I've posted several videos on how to use this kit. The reason for the video today is I got a question from one of my viewers that asked me if it's possible to use this kit on a front caliper. And the answer is, it absolutely is. It comes with this adapter. It has steps on it for the various size pistons. And in the back, it's recessed to accommodate the bosses on here. So you would simply put it on like this. It's magnetic. You would put your plate on. Like so. And then you would simply turn it and you can press your piston back in. Works quite nicely. So yes, this can be used for front calipers as well as rear calipers. So that's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'm going to post two videos to your left. One will be one of those videos that I originally posted on how to use this kit, and the other will be something I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, there'll be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.